welcome back. Today's video is going to be a brand new PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we open them together. I have some really exciting ones to get into this week, so why don't we go ahead and get started. I'm going to get into says that it is from MOROCCANOIL, so it's going to be some hair care products. Alright, so it says whether it's a food festival, a music festival, we've got you covered with the essentials. And it looks like we have a box full of hair care products. I'm so excited about this. So up first we have the Hydrating Styling Cream. Here's what that one looks like. I love their packaging. It's always so sleek looking. We have the Intense Hydrating Hair Mask as well. I love, love, love doing hair masks. So I'm definitely going to test this one out. Also in here we have the Protect and Prevent Spray. So like a heat protected spray. So many products in here. So up next we have the Beach Wave Mousse. So it's going to be like a texturizing spray. We also have a dry texture spray as well. And then a luminous hairspray. And then there is one more thing in here. And this one is going to be their MOROCCANOIL treatment. So this is like a hair oil treatment that you can put in your hair. I love all of these products. Big thank you to the team at MOROCCANOIL. I can't wait to test out so many of these. I love that they're also just like smaller sizes too. You can take them with you traveling to those festivals. I think that's perfect. So next up we have something from Farsali. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what they have. It says keep calm, the liquid glass is here to stay. Awesome. So it looks like their liquid glass, this one was going to be a limited edition, which is kind of like their luminous elixir that they came out with, the Radiance liquid glass, and this one was limited edition, so it looks like it's going to be a permanent. Here is what it looks like if you haven't seen it. It is really nice on the skin. I own this and I love it. It's very luminous. It gives you just like a glow from within, and it actually shows through your like foundation and stuff. It's really, really pretty. So that is really cool that they went ahead and made this permanent, because a lot of people I know did enjoy that one. So thank you Farsali for letting us know about that. The next box I have is from Rimmel London. Okay, all the festival inspo you need with Rimmel London. I'm loving all of these festival vibes. Look at this card, super cute. So let's go ahead and see. It's like this little tissue right here. Feels like a purse. Ooh, it is. This is cute. So it's like actually like a little fanny pack. Very holographic, very cute. We have a bunch of different products inside. Up first I see some of their Wonder Swipes. So these are like their eyeliners. These are different colored eyeliners. And then we also have in here one of their, what is this called? Scandalous Eyes Brow and Liner. So they have like a glitter sparkle one of that. What else? We have another one of their liners. This one is like a purpley blue. We also have in here an art graphic liner and lipstick. Ooh, what is this? Maybe it's red. It has like a red packaging here. It is, it's red. So it says it's a lipstick and a liner. I've never seen this product before. It actually looks kind of cool. That would be interesting to try as like a winged liner, you know? Have the Magnificent Eyes Rainbow Edition. I don't have this one. Look at how pretty that is. Love those greens. Those are so fun. These like neon greens. This one's really cute. I really enjoy the Magnificent Eye palettes. I've talked about them a lot, how much I really like those. We also have in here the Scandalous Eyes Mascara. And then there are also some more of those liners. So some more of those like graphic liners. So we have a purple, a blue, and then also it looks like more of an orange color. That was such a cute package. So many fun goodies in there. I definitely want to try this palette out. It looks so pretty. I'm so excited about this. Super cute. Thank you, Rimmel. The next box I am digging into is from STILAZZI. Ooh, so it says STILAZZI Lip It Up, and it has like this picture here. So it looks like we have some lip products. Holy lip products. Oh my gosh. There is so many in here. And then it also has all of these ones on the bottom. So it looks like off the bat, some of these are doubles, so I can definitely do like a giveaway for you guys. So up first, let's see. These are the lip creams. And these ones are, this one is in Birthday Suit. Of course, I gravitate towards the nude shade because you guys know how much I love my nude lipsticks. Probably use my little tool. That would probably help at me actually opening these up. So I've actually never tried a lip product from STILAZZI before. I think these are new. So I'll go ahead and show you guys this one. So it's just going to be like a bullet cream lipstick. And again, this one was Birthday Suit, which is going to be a really pretty light nude shade. Yes, that's like my perfect nude. Let me show you a few more of these. So up next we have Sending Nudes. So here is what Sending Nudes. This one looks like it's just gonna be a little bit of a deeper nude shade, kind of similar to what I have on my lips right now. There's that one right there, that's Sending Nudes. All right, I'm gonna show you guys one more of these and then we'll move on to, I know there's some other lip products in those little bags. So this one here is gonna be Red Plum. Ooh, this is a bright red. There is what it looks like in the tube. I'll go ahead and swatch this one. Definitely a very like vibrant red for sure. I like the formula of this on my hand. It feels like it's gonna be really nice on the lips. We'll see how they perform. So it looks like they did include some lip glosses as well. So these ones are called their lip finishes. So I'm gonna grab out the Pink Sand shade and see what this one looks like. Here is the packaging for the lip gloss, super cute. I'll go ahead and swatch this one. I'm kind of running out of room here, but I will find somewhere. This one looks really pretty. It's kind of like a pearly pink right there. So the lip vinyls, it says a brilliantly creamy and smooth hydrating gloss. So this is going to be another gloss that's going to have more of an intense shine. So here's the packaging on this one. I'm so excited to test all these out, you guys. I love finding new lip products. So I'll go ahead and swatch this gloss right here. Ooh, this is pretty. This is really opaque too. There's that one right there. You guys know I love my nudes. That's like my perfect nude as well. I'll show you guys one more of the glosses. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of the deeper one. So this one's gonna be a little bit more of a deeper nude, just like a hint deeper than the other one. There is Sip right there. I'm so excited for these. And then we have one more little bundle, as if that wasn't enough, of some more lippies. So these are their lip sheers. So it says that these are a subdued, smooth, hydrating sheer lipstick that enhances your lips with a pop of color. So it's gonna be more of like a lip balm. Here is the packaging on this one. We'll do one last swatch right here. It actually looks like it has a lot of color to it. There is a swatch of that one right there. It definitely looks like it's gonna be really hydrating. This one again is called Gypsia. And just looking at the vibes of this is just like everything, these nudes right now. I'm so excited about these. I will definitely test them out. I'll come back and let you guys know. If you are interested in anything from STILAZZI, I do have a coupon code. It's just MAKEUPMOLLY. It's 25% off your entire purchase on their website. So if you are looking at these nudes and you want to get some of them, definitely check them out down below. Okay, moving on to the next box. This one's going to be from Physicians Formula. So inside it says the Healthy Powder. So it looks like we have some face powders. It says a long-wearing, buildable, and breathable powder foundation that provides lightweight, medium to full coverage with a healthy satin finish. So it looks like they sent me over all of the shades so I can show you guys. So this is gonna have SPF 16 in it. Here is going to be the packaging on the powder. I like how sleek it is, just like small, compact. So it looks like it comes in 12 shades with cool, warm, and neutral undertones. Here is like a little thing right here showing the different shades that they are offering. So I'm gonna try and find my best shade in here and I'll show you guys like a swatch of it. This one is Light C1. So I'm guessing that this will probably be my match right here. This one looks pretty good. I did notice that on the bottom it does have a little mirror as well as a little applicator as well. I like that it has the mirror kind of on the bottom. I think that that's different. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the powder. I'll just swatch it. Feels like it's going to be pretty good coverage. Here's what it looks like. And then I'll just go ahead and swatch. You're probably not going to be able to see it much, but there it is right there. It feels very lightweight. It feels kind of silky. Like it's not going to be heavy on the skin at all. I will definitely test these out and I will let you guys know. If you want to see like a video of me testing these out, kind of doing swatches on all of the shades, let me know down in the comment section. If that's something you guys want to see, I can definitely do that. All right, and the last box this week came over from Profusion. I went ahead and got everything open. So up first we have the Festival palette. This is going to be a 35 pan palette. I love the layout of this. They actually did it kind of color coordinated like downwise. So this definitely has a lot of like bright colors in here. I like that it's like all the blues, all the purples, all the pinks, yellows. I think that's actually really cool. This would be super fun to do some festival looks with, or just kind of even like an everyday palette, because you do have neutrals in here along with some pops of color. And then up next in here we have a lip duo. This one is in Lust. So we have the matte lip cream and then also the matte lip liner in here, just like a pink set right here. And then we also have the mattes. Ooh, this is pretty. Like a matte eyeshadow palette. Look at how nice that is. This one's just like a neutral tone matte palette. This has 10 different shades in it. super nice. This one's really cool. I love the rose gold packaging on it as well. And then the last thing in here is one of their eye sparklers. This one is a eye sparkling eye topper and also a waterproof shadow stick. This one is in Glimmer, which I think this one was in their last package. I tried this one out right here, and I think it's so pretty on the eyes. It actually works really well. I'm not sure if this is the same color I use, but I'm pretty sure it's the same little set right here. So these prices are super affordable on Profusion. So the eye sparkler is $6.99. The big eyeshadow palette, the festival one, was $12.99, and then we had the lip duo and the 10 shade palette. So the matte palette, both of these are only $4.99. So definitely check Profusion out. I know that they are available at Walmart, and I sometimes see them at Target as well. All right, you guys, after that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup launches. Comment down below what your favorite product was that I opened. A big thank you to all of the brands for sending over all of these packages. Give this one a thumbs up if you do enjoy my hauls, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends. Super cool. Super cool. A texture mousse. I'm not gonna miss them. I'm gonna need a patient from them because they're being naughty all day, every day. They're cranky, they're hurting me, they're bothering me.